I'm Mitra Rezaei from University of Warwick, and today we are going to explore how nature's own biological systems can become our next generation of communication technology. Well, do you know that when electromagnetic waves try to communicate through human body, they face devastating signal loss? They actually become 1,000 of times weaker, traveling through just 1 millimeter of biological tissues, which makes wireless communication nearly impossible within human body. But what if we could bypass the electromagnetic waves entirely? What if we use the body's own molecules as communication signals between, for example, some bio-inspired transmitters and receivers? This is actually called molecular communication, and it is happening all around us and even inside our bodies. For example, the neurons in our brain communicate with each other through some molecules to transfer messages, or a cluster of bacteria sends molecular signals to another cluster to coordinate finding food. How molecular communication works. Like any communication systems, molecular communication has a transmitter that creates a change into the environment, and a receiver that detects this change. But in molecular communication, this change actually is molecular. The transmitter releases some molecules to the environment, and the receiver detects that changes in molecular concentration and decides based on that. The higher the number of molecules detected by the receiver, the better the signal transmission. Well, in molecular communication, transmitters and receivers can be individual cells, but they can also be a cluster of cells, which is even more close to biological reality. Why? Because actually in nature, cells rarely operate alone. They mostly form communities like tissues or tumors where hundreds or thousands of cells work together. My PhD research focuses on these cellular clusters as antennas inside the human body for information transmission. Well, what advantages do these cluster-based antennas offer beyond just being more realistic? As transmitters, these cellular clusters can generate much a stronger signal because they combine the output of many cells working together. As receivers, these cellular clusters can create molecular sponges. So they can create a porous structure that trap molecules for a while and concentrate and amplify the incoming signals up to 8-fold compared to individual cells. And this can dramatically improve signal transmission. And what is better in communication than having improved signal transmission, especially in lossy environments like inside the human body? Well, so let me leave you with these thoughts. As I'm speaking with you, millions of cellular clusters are throughout our body are coordinating using molecular communication. The technology of the future isn't something that we need to build from scratch. It is actually something that exists, and we just need to understand and work with. Thank you.